Today's quick biology lesson is about symbiosis. And what is symbiosis? It is an interaction between two organisms. But did you know that there is actually three major types of symbiosis? I'm going to go over all three. The first type of symbiosis is known as mutualism, which in a mutualistic relationship, both organisms benefit from the interaction. A perfect example of a mutualistic relationship is this relationship between a honeybee and a flower. The honeybee receives the benefit of extracting pollen to help them make honey, and the flower receives the benefit of having its pollen dispersed to other flowers to help them reproduce. Now, the second type of symbiosis is known as commensalism. And now commensalism is a little bit different than mutualism because one party receives benefits, but the other party doesn't receive any benefits, but it's also not harmed either. It's more of a neutral interaction for the other party. An example of commensalism would be birds nesting or building a nest in a tree, as the birds receive the benefit of protection and a home for its young, but the tree, it's not really helped, but it's not really harmed either. It's neutral. And the third and final major type of symbiosis is known as parasitism. And in a parasitic relationship, one organism receives benefits while the other organism is actively harmed. And the perfect example of a parasitic relationship is the relationship between the working class and the capital-owning class, also known as capitalists, as capitalists build their wealth off of the backs of the working class. They receive the benefit of not having to work and building their wealth off of your hard labor, and you receive the benefit of having to not only work for yourself, but having to support them.